We all know the plants are producers. That means they can undergo the process of photosynthesis. They can prepare their own food. But there are some plants which cannot prepare their own food, but they have to depend on others, such as insects. There are some plants which are eating insects, so they are categorized under insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. The meaning is very simple. Plants which are depend upon the insects and other carnivorous animals. It may be insects or sometimes frogs and small lizards. Let us go into detail one by one which are the various plants which are coming under insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Here are some of the examples of insectivorous plants. They are pitcher plant, Nepenthes, sundew plants, Drosera, Venus flytrap, and the trap of bladderwort, that is Utricularia. Let us go one by one. This is a very simple plant which is known as a pitcher plant or Nepenthes. This plant again cannot prepare their own food, but they are eating insects. They have the sugary sap which attracts insects, and when insects can see the sugary sap inside, so this insect just jump into the belly of the pitcher plant, and there are digestive enzymes. The lid is closed, and easily with the help of digestive enzymes, this pitcher plant can digest or eat the insects. So this is pitcher plant Nepenthes. Second one is sundew plant Drosera. Again, we also know this plant also cannot prepare their own food, but they attract because of beautiful color, and these entangled tentacles of the sundew plants traps the insects and digest the insects with the help of digestive enzymes. Next is a Venus flytrap. This Venus flytrap actually having a sensory hair, as you can see here, and as soon as any organisms, any animals, right from small insects till frog, if they come in, they just touches the sensory hairs, this Venus flytrap closes its flap, and the insects and the frogs which trap inside, and they can digest with the help of enzymes. So enzymes will help them for digestion, and they feed upon small insects such as insects and the frogs with the help of trap. That is the reason why they are called Venus flytrap. Last one is a Utricularia. These are the very small plants found in plateau areas or grassland areas. So they have bladderwort. This bladderwort will have small opening, and as soon as insect travel inside, this lid close, and of course with the help of the digestive enzymes, these insects get digested. So these were the examples which comes under insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Thank you.